Gold and silver, as I shared yesterday also, 1755-60 zone is the critical resistance zone. Likewise for silver, 1920 to 1940 precisely trading in this zone, failing to go past by. Now what is going to happen today, which position you can take in order to make profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. First we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, and if you are committing this mistake by not subscribing this channel, definitely you are missing on the profit. Don't commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Let's start the day. First we look into gold. Look at the hourly charts for gold. You can see it is creating higher base out there. So this is the first base at around 1745, now at around 1750. With this as base, it is trying to rise. Also, if you see these candles, it is trying to trade in this channel, the highs of this channel at around 1764.65, which is the next resistance zone. So yes, if you see it trading beyond 1758, I think that should be a good level, because 1758 is again a good resistance. Beyond that, definitely we may see it achieving highs till around 1764.65 level. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is near to top. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is also near to top here. Mixed indication on the indicators part. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, if you look at it gives a feeling that it is probably looking for a rise there, and then the resistance at 1760 and 1764.65 is very strong on the 2-hour charts. If it does, we can see a good rise. Breaking below 1750 is a good indication for you to again go short. Then one can look for 1745 and 1740 zone, which is going to be a good support. So right now it is trying to behave like this. Probably once it breaks past this zone at 1758, we may see a good rise, and it can give you a very good candle if it trades above these levels. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking upwards, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is looking upwards, again trying to act bullish here, indications say so. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour chart, see, after this consolidation here, it is seen a good rise. However, it failed to break past the resistance here at this zone. See, I have always maintained that beyond first is 1755 and then 1760 levels. These are a very good resistance zone for gold out there, and precisely trading within this. And if it breaks out this, definitely one can expect a good rise. So how far this can go, it can come back till towards this zone 64-65 levels, which is precisely a good resistance, and then 1770 levels will come into picture. Directional movement bullish, stochastic is near to overbought levels, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is also near to top. So most indicators on most time frames are near to top levels, and possibly appears that it has seen the high, and yes, there is still room for it to rise. One cannot deny this, it cannot rise. So now look at this on the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts to previous consolidation, see, this was the consolidation levels at 1735 levels, then 1745. Now it is trying to give it a rise. It may consolidate here at around 1754-55 levels, and then a breakout can come, possibly if it is bullish. Else, any drop below 1750 today, yes, just stay short below 1750. It may break accordingly. Below 1750, one can look forward to 1745, the first target, and then below that we may see it crashing for 1740 and 1735 levels. On the upside, be watchful. Once it breaks beyond 1758, you can be watchful of 1760, 1764, 65, and then 1770 levels will come into picture. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic is near to top, again trading bullish, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is looking upwards. So most indicators indicates that it is trying to act bullish. Now look at the daily charts. Now see, on the daily charts, the previous candle you should watch out for. Previous candle indicates that neither the bulls nor the bears took the charge despite having a greener candle. Yet it has seen the lows out there, it has seen the highs, but traded in a fairly narrow range. Now also, if you consider this, see, first thing is, if you connect the dots here, the highs of this channel is at around 1758, 1758, 60 zone. This is going to be a good resistance zone. Also, this is the 50 period moving average, which is giving it a resistance here at around 1757, 58 levels. So just watch out for 1758. If it breaks past this, also till 1760 rather, I will say you have to stay cautious. Only beyond 1760 take a long position. Till the time it trades below 1760, one can expect that it may reverse, and below 1750 Yes, you can go short below 1750. You can again expect 1745, which is going to be a good support, and below 1745 it can reverse strongly on the downside, and we can see a good fall till towards 1737-35 zone, and below that we may see a good fall again. Directional movement bearish, stochastic is looking upwards, the MACD is bearish trying to converge, RSI is looking upwards. Considering this for the day, I will not recommend you to go short until it is above 1750 levels. Till the time it trades above 1750, it is trying to remain bullish, but below 1750, yes, you can go short and then expect it to achieve 1745, 1740 and 1737-35 zone. This is very important today. 1737-35, below that we may see a good drop again till towards 1730 and 1724 levels. So yes, you can go short below 1750. Do not miss that opportunity. And yes, on the upside, if it breaks past 1760, go long beyond 1760. You can expect it to hit 1764-65 and then 1770 levels will come into picture. So take your trades accordingly. Beyond 1770, it is anything is a bonus, anything is a plus. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at. And if you want to learn the same art of trading profitably, taking right entries, reading the charts precisely, and trading in profit with the right entries, you can join my mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. This is a 15 days batch, 90 minutes daily, and a lifetime technical support is what you get. So you can reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and the video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group. I have started a new page on the Patreon site. You can choose the tiered membership level. One is the support level, next is the signals level. You can join that, and definitely it will we can create profits from there by just joining the signals. So let's start the day for silver now. Silver trading on the hourly charts at 1922 level. See, it has seen the bullish candles here, two bullish candles on the hourly charts, and probably see with this base, a third bullish candle, it has to go past by 1930. If it breaks past by 1930, you can expect it to again fly till towards 1940, 1950 levels. On the downside, 1910 levels is a stronger resistance, and 1905, these two levels, if it breaks, it will call for a crash out there. Also look at this, it is seen the high out there, it is trying to create a symmetry. Probably once it drops below 1915 itself, yes, you can go short. 1915 itself, yes, you can go short, and then 1910, 1905, till there you have to be cautious, and below that we may see a good fall. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is extremely divergent. RSI is near to top, again looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, it has seen a good pattern out there. Almost he has created the double top also, and now trying to reverse from here. Yes, below 1915 you can go short, but then you have to be cautious till towards 1905. A good short entry, a comfortable short entry, is only if it drops below 1905. Below that, yes, you can expect it to drop significantly. So first thing is, you have to watch out for 1910, which is very strong support, and then 1905, the next strongest support. Below that we may see it dropping and crashing again. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking upwards, MACD is wide divergent and bullish, RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, it has seen a good rise, good beautiful candles out there, bullish candles, seeing the double top, now trying to reverse. So probably below 1915, yes, you can go short at 1915. Below 1915, expect 1910, very strong support, which will be there for the day, and then 1905. These two levels, if are taken, it may call for a stronger drop. So take your positions accordingly. Only long entry I will recommend is if you see it trading beyond 1930. Once you see it trading beyond 1930, one can stay long for 1940 and 1950 levels. In fact, it can rise further and farther. Directional movement bullish, stochastic is at the top out there, MACD is bullish, and RSI is also near to overbought levels. Likewise, if you see the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts it is trying to break. So on the 4-hour chart, it is still bullish. It has seen the highs. I will be watchful of 1930 again. Beyond 1930, definitely it will fly. At the same time, below 1915, you can go short and then expect 1910, 1905. Only comfortable bearish entries below 1905, and then specifically if it breaks 1900, then you can call for a stronger drop, and 1880 levels will be seen there. Directional movement is just crossed over for a bullish move. It is divergent. Stochastic at comfortable levels, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI looking upwards, indicating bullish indications. And if you look at the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts. What it is trying to do, it is trying to give you higher lows, higher highs, and appears it has seen the bottom out there, now trying to rise again on the daily charts. So this is a indication that probably it may again try to rise till the highs of this channel, and as it failed to break past this, and till the time it trades below 2050 and 19 in this 1850 levels, probably these 200 points here should be a good strong resistance move. And if you see the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, the previous candle were lower highs, higher lows, and this time it is trying to break out, and this is what makes it a specific case for one to remain bullish. Just be watchful of 1910. Below 1910 definitely one can expect it to again drop, and this time the break is going to be sharp enough for it to take it further below till towards 1880 and below levels. So just be watchful of 1910 and 1900 levels. On the upside, you can go long beyond 1930 levels. Beyond 1930, this may call for a stronger move on the upside. Then one can expect 1940, 1950. In fact, it can rise till towards 1955-60 zone, which is going to be the stronger resistance zone. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD is divergent and bearish. It may start to converge. RSI trading flat. Considering this, for the day, I think 1910 levels you should watch out for. Below 1910, yes, you can go short below 1910. Then watch out for 1905, 1900 levels. If these two are taken, it will call for a good fall. And till the time it trades above 1910, and rather specifically, you can go long at 1930, which is a good resistance. Beyond 1930, you can expect it to rise for 1940, 50 and 55 levels. So it is trying to reverse, and it is trying to attempt and achieve the highs of this channel. Let's see if it does. It has seen the bottom out there, and if it continues to rise beyond 1950 levels, we can expect it to achieve again till towards 2050 and 2100 levels. Let's be alert, let's be watchful. On the upside, if it continues to rise, you have to be careful of 2050 in the coming days. At these levels, the direction will be decided for silver, which direction it want to take. Right now, it appears it is trying to reverse. Any drop below 1880 is a very good indication that it is going to remain bearish for the near term, and then we can see it falling till towards 1800 and below level. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not take any position between 1910 and 1930 levels. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead, and the next update on gold will be up before the US cash session. Do watch that also. Thank you very much.